Howdy, this is David Groce, your Texas tax and lawman, coming to you charged up for America 250. We're celebrating 250 years of American liberty. And today, we're diving into one of the greatest safeguards ever written for our free people, the Bill of Rights. After the Constitution was signed in 1787, plenty of Americans, good, liberty-loving patriots, worried the new federal government might grow too powerful and threaten the very freedoms they had just fought a revolution to secure. Enter Patrick Henry, that fiery orator who thundered, "Give me liberty or give me death," in 1775. He fiercely opposed the original Constitution, fearing it gave too much power to the centralized government. He argued the government that governs best is the government that governs least, and the government that is closest to the people. Henry became a powerful voice for demanding amendments to protect individual rights. Though he never signed the Constitution, his advocacy helped fuel the push that produced the Bill of Rights, 10 amendments ratified on December 15th, 1791. They weren't afterthoughts. They were hard-won lessons straight from the Revolutionary struggle. The colonists had endured British violations, unreasonable searches, forced quartering of troops, disarmament attempts, and attacks on conscience. They were determined that their own government would never repeat those same abuses. The First Amendment stands tall. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech or of the press, or the right of the people peaceably to assemble and to petition the government for a redress of grievances. This secured freedom to worship, not freedom from worship. The founders wanted no national church and no government meddling in the sacred territory of conscience because they knew a moral people rooted in faith was essential to self-government. The Second Amendment protects the right of the people to keep and bear arms. Straight from Lexington and Concord, when the British marched to seize powder and arms, and armed citizenry was the ultimate check on tyranny. Other amendments locked in due process, trial by jury, protection against unreasonable searches, and property rights, all born from the blood and fire of the fight for independence. At its core, the Bill of Rights shouts a timeless truth. Rights don't come from government. They are endowed by our Creator to the people, not the government. Government's job is to recognize, protect, and stay out of the way. That's why the 10th Amendment clearly states the powers not delegated to the United States by the Constitution, nor prohibited by it to the states, are reserved to the states respectively or to the people. As we enjoy America's 250th birthday, these 10 amendments are still our strongest shield against overreach. In times when liberties are tested, we remember why they were written: to guard the freedoms the revolutionary generation bled for: freedom of worship, speech, self-defense, and the God-given dignity of every individual. The Bill of Rights calls us to be a moral, vigilant people, the best guardians of liberty this world has ever known. In future episodes, we'll keep unpacking the faith, wisdom, and courage that built the Republic under God. Until then, stand firm, defend constitutional liberty, uphold the rights endowed by our Creator, and trust in divine providence. Hey, if you like this video, click like and subscribe and share with a friend. And until next time, adios, and God bless America.